Have you ever wondered if certain numbers hold the key to unlocking the universe's greatest secrets? Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors of all time, believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 contained a cosmic code, one that governed the very fabric of reality. He had strange habits. Before entering a building, he would walk around it 3 times. He only stayed in hotel rooms with numbers divisible by 3. He was convinced that these numbers were the foundation of universal energy. But why? Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." Let's dive into the incredible world of vortex maths, a numerical system that reveals energy patterns and hidden truths about our reality. It's also known as toroidal math, and it suggests that numbers follow a repeating cycle that can explain the universe's structure. Let's see how. Start with 1 and keep doubling. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now reduce each number to a single digit by adding them together. 16 becomes 1 plus 6 equals 7. 32 becomes 3 plus 2 equals 5. 64 becomes 6 plus 4 equals 1. 128 becomes 1 plus 2 plus 8 equals 11. And 11 becomes 1 plus 1 equals 2. This pattern continues infinitely in a loop, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, and repeats. But here's the strange part. 3, 6, and 9 never appear in this cycle. They exist outside of it, almost as if they belong to a different dimension of energy. Now let's multiply by 3 and see what happens. 3 times 3 equals 9, 9 times 3 equals 27, and if you add 2 plus 7, you get 9. Next, 27 times 3 equals 81, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. Finally, 81 times 3 equals 243, and if you add 2 plus 4 plus 3, you still get 9. No matter how far we go, 3, 6, and 9 always lead back to themselves. They never merge with the 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 loop. It's as if these numbers hold a secret that the rest of the numerical world cannot touch. But is this just a mathematical trick, or is there something deeper going on? In nature, we constantly see patterns aligning with 3, 6, and 9. Galaxies spiral in formations that follow the 3-6-9 ratio. Sound frequencies and energy waves align with these numbers. Even the structure of human DNA reflects these patterns. Could this be evidence of Tesla's theory? Could 3, 6, and 9 be the fundamental frequencies of the universe? Some believe that understanding this numerical system can help manifest desires and reshape reality. This is where the 3-6-9 manifestation method comes in. Here's how it works. Write down your goal 3 times a day. Focus on it 6 times a day. Visualize and feel it 9 times a day. The idea is that by focusing your energy in this structured way, you can align with the universe's natural frequencies and bring your desires into reality. Some people swear by this method, claiming it has transformed their lives. Others argue it's just another psychological trick. So, is 369 a cosmic key or just a fascinating mathematical coincidence? The debate continues. But one thing is certain, Tesla was a genius and his obsession with these numbers was no accident. What do you think? Could 369 hold the secret to the universe, or is it just an interesting pattern with no real meaning? Let us know in the comments. And in our next video, we'll break this concept down visually to see if there's real power behind the numbers. Thanks for watching.